How to log into Ulster Bank credit card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Now at the top you're gonna see the search box. Over there type in Ulster Bank login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, ulsterbank.com. Open it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, now here you're gonna see the option of login. Click on it. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily log into your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. You can select either customer number or card number to log in. Go ahead and select the option of your choice. I'm gonna select card number. Once you type in your card number, if you want to save it, you can check in for the option of remember me. Then click on continue, and in the next page you will need to type in the password and then click on done. Just for that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Ulster Bank credit card account online. In the case you haven't created your account yet, click on the option of sign up here and go for the registration process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.